Okay. Are there any questions about this? Okay. But again, you know, as I wrote in the attendance, I don't take attendance here, and attendance is not part of your grade. So, all right. So let's go back to this. If you click on my YouTube channel, that'll bring you to my YouTube channel. That's where the lectures are posted once they're recorded. Remember, I record lectures and then I post them on YouTube. Not sure if I can embed them on Blackboard, but I just figured on YouTube, since they'll be public, you'll be able to watch them. What's nice about YouTube is YouTube does closed captioning automatically. That's why I like to post them on YouTube. Syllabus, again, that's where the syllabus is, so you can download that. Okay. This I just posted from the bookstore. They wanted me to post this. The syllabus you can always download. That's available throughout the semester. These are just some useful websites I thought would be good. You have Desmos here. Let me actually go to that site. Okay, now I got to share. I don't know how to share two screens at once, but I'm sure there's a way to do that. Okay, so when you click on Desmos, this is actually what you're going to see. You could actually make a free account. I think you can use your Oneonta email address for it. I know you can use if you have a Google account, you can definitely make an account with Desmos. I know Google account is free to get, that is. You don't have to get it, but you can. To get to the graphing calculator, you can click on this button here, or you can click on Math Tools, and then you just click graphing calculator. Click on that, you come to this. If you do have an account, anything you graph you can save by logging in or signing up. But if you want to graph something, say, I don't know, y equals 2 to the x, let's say. There's an exponential function. You get this graph. Okay? So it's a graphing calculator. Move it around. And what's nice is it's free, so that's why you don't have to buy a graphing calculator. Also, if you click on Math Tools, I'm not sure what happens if you click on Read. Okay. If you click on Math Tools, you have Scientific Calculator. You know, that's just another calculator you can use. Okay. You can also download Desmos onto your phone, onto your smartphone. That's what I actually did. So you can then use your smartphone as a graphing device. You don't have to download it. It is free to do, but you don't have to for the class. Okay. Okay, let me get back to the useful websites. Okay, there's also this Math Power website. This is Math is Power for You, so maybe I might have to change the name of that. But this just is a site that has lots of video. Oh, you can't see it yet. Let me share it. Here we go. I think you can actually access this site through Lumen as well. It just has a lot of videos that you can watch in case you need help with something. You're more than welcome to contact me. It's not just for this class also, as you can see, there's other classes here. You know, there's calculus, differential equations. You know, it's just another site, another resource for you in case you want to use it. I mean, sometimes you might have to search around for the video on the topic you're interested in or need help with, but that's okay. All right. Okay, let me stop this. Let me get back to the others. Top. Here it comes. Okay, good. There we go. Okay. And the Student Learning Center, again, that's, you know, a really good site you should look at. And I wrote this here that if a certain course, not just mine, a 100 or 200 level course that you need tutoring with, but for some reason it's not listed there, you can just contact this person. Okay. For submitting, again, this is a site that shows you how to submit assignments through Blackboard. And again, you will have to do that with your exams. That'll be later. Virtual classroom, that's where the class takes place. You'll see like weeks here, like week 1, then week 2, next week you'll see. This is where I post lecture notes, and any videos I think would help you. The videos generally are optional, okay? But this is where lecture notes will be posted. The first video here, you can learn anything. It's really more motivational. It's really just showing you that no one is not a math person. Anyone can learn and get better at math. That's actually been scientifically proven. It's actually what they call the growth mindset. So that's really what the video is trying to illustrate, that you can get better at math. You know, you may have to work hard and study. You know, math doesn't come easy to everyone, including me. You know, math did not come easy to me, but you can get better at math. That's really what the video is showing you. These sources here, these are just more help sources. So you have Blackboard help pages, you have Open SUNY help desk. So these are just other sources for help. So for instance, let me click on this one, Blackboard help pages. If you click on this, let me share that though. This is actually what you would, hold on. This is actually what you would see. Again, it's more help for Blackboard. For instance, if you had to submit your assignment or check your browser, that kind of stuff. Okay. You know, it's just there to help. I figured it'd be good. You can also search for anything you're struggling. You can also search for help as well if you don't see it here or here. So, all right. Any questions on this? Okay, let me stop this. Okay. Yeah. So wait, no, I didn't mean to do that. Let me get to my camera. There we go. Wait, now it's two. Here we go. Okay, so I guess you could see me here. So really don't like the way I look on camera, but that's basically the course. That's the layout of Blackboard and the syllabus. So if there are no other questions, what I'll probably do now is lecture for a little bit, although not much because the class ends at 12:50. What time is it? Here we have so I'll probably just lecture a little bit. So usually I don't like the camera on because it takes up bandwidth. So, okay. So if there are no questions, let me do a little bit of lecturing. Okay. Okay, I don't have the 4th edition of the textbook yet. I have the 3rd edition, but again, I'm getting the 4th edition, and when I do, I'll post practice questions. So I think the 3rd and 4th editions are very similar though. So, all right, let me share this, my notes. All right, here it comes. Okay, hopefully, good, okay. If you do have trouble with something with the technology, I know some people in my other class had trouble, I guess, seeing what I shared. You can always contact, I think it's TLTC on campus or ITS on campus. You can always email them and they'll be able to help you. I think they can meet with people virtually, I think. So, all right, anyway, let me do this. But basically what I want to start in is section P1, well, chapter P, section 1. The book treats it like a review, chapter P, but I'm not going to treat all of it like a review. For now, though, we're just going to see some important notation and concepts that will be used throughout this course. For instance, we have this notion of a set, And there is a lot to what a set is. There's actually a branch of math called set theory. For us, a set is nothing more than a collection of something or a group of something. You can have a set of numbers, you can have a set of functions, you can have a set of letters. So really for us, a set is just a collection of something.